Smell is a powerful influence in the perception of clean, especially when odors are persistent in common spaces like restrooms and hallways and cause complaints. Avoid complaints and treat the problem before it occurs with State's Fragrance Factory. This active odor control system continuously eliminates malodors with its patented ingredients while providing pleasant fragrance without messy sprays or mists. The Fragrance Factory cabinet is stylish, durable, and operates silently with its whisper quiet fan, blending in perfectly with any decor. The water-based fragrance gel packs contain our patented odor eliminator SE500 that eliminates malodors at the molecular level. As odors are neutralized, a pleasant scent from our extensive fragrance palette fills the space. Time and light settings allow for easy adjustments in any environment. This product is powerful and will eliminate the toughest odors, yet it's gentle enough not to overwhelm the senses. The result is subtle and effective. The Fragrance Factory, another great air care solution from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.